Hey guys, it's me, Josie. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Josie's Toyland. If you have not heard of this YouTube channel, or you already know what this YouTube channel is, it's where I upload videos of me doing unboxing, fidget toys, or any random toys, I guess. By the way, I have another YouTube channel, which is my first YouTube channel, Josie's Fidgets Unboxing, and this is my second YouTube channel, so if you guys are wondering why I haven't been uploading videos to this YouTube channel for like months, it's because I wanted to do what I like to do when I'm in summer break and when I'm not making videos and uploading them to my YouTube channels. And I wanted to use my summer break and have fun with my friends, spend time with my family, also with any other family members, and also I really haven't had anything to upload to this YouTube channel because I haven't gone to like stores to get fidgets and other toys and make a video about them. And also I have school, and I just went to Dollar General store. I got 5 things. I opened one of them up, which was Series 2 Toy Mini Brands capsule by Zuru. And here's what I got. But first I'll show you this. So I got this flavored lip balm 3-pack candy shop with Nerds, Laffy Taffy, and Fun Dip because I have chapped lips, and also I needed this because I get stressed out when my lips are chapped, so this came in handy, so I got it. So yeah. Anyway, I'll show you what I got from the first capsule. So I have 2 Toy Mini Brand grocery bags. Then I have a fidget spinner. I got Rainbow Dash. So yeah, there she is. And then I have this Alive Minis Lion Cub. And then I got Gary vinyl figure, SpongeBob underpants. So yeah. Sorry if it was blurry. But I hope you guys could see what they were. So yeah. Anyway, now let's unbox these last 3 Series 2 toy mini brand capsules. So I'm going to go with the one in the middle. So let's see if these will rip off good. If they don't, then yeah. Okay. Now let's find the tear strip. Okay. So we're gonna put the trash in the Dollar General store bag. So let's open this up. Okay. So I know this is a shelf. So we're gonna take this off. So yeah, okay. Now we're gonna open the next ones. Ooh! We got Whammo Splash Chocolate Donut Pull Float. I'm sorry if the camera's not focusing that well, but there it is. Ooh! We got like this pastel poppet. This is so cool. I love these like miniature poppets. Cute. Okay, next. We got Pinkie Pie. She's my favorite. Cute. A JoJo Siwa karaoke microphone. Cute. Here's the back. Okay. So that's it for that one. Okay, now I'm gonna go with this one right here. Okay. Let's open this box. Okay. It's a Tamagotchi. Cute. Oh my word, this is adorable. Oh my gosh. Hope. It's a VTech. Oh, it's so cute. Oh. I had a feeling that one was good. Ooh. Glitter markers. Cute. So which ones are... Okay. What? No way. Oh. We got a Frozen Moments. We got this one. We got this one right here. Oh my gosh. See? We got that. Okay. That is awesome. So how do you put this together? Oh, it shows it. This is so cool. So this goes in the middle. Okay. Cute. Oh. Okay.
Crystal. I don't know why, but driving over this bridge always gives me the heebies. But we finally arrived, and I picked up my car. So I got a Range Rover Evoque in Fiji white. Obviously, the first thing I did was accessorize it, turned the whole thing pink. A surprise, probably not. And I also blinked out my car keys. Then I tested out some of the features, and I am literally in love with the panoramic roof. The fact that it has a TV, which can only be viewed from the passenger.
Here it is. Look at that.
Which means I can literally turn the inside of my car pink now at night.
Awesome.
I got her on the day the Barbie movie was released.
Cute.
I just want to say a huge thank you to you guys because you literally made this possible. Comment down below what your dream car is.
I can't believe we just got a Frozen moment. Okay, last one. To this one. Connect 4.
We're talking about a gummy right now. New Garden Life Vitamin Toe Gummies.
Cute.
Israel, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then welcome to the family. So, I just
Okay, next. The last one right here.
during Q&A, but ever since I was literally age 9, my dream car has been a pink or white Range Rover. And currently I'm driving a white Nissan Juke. I literally love her. I've had her for nearly 4 years now, but I am looking to swap from a manual car to an automatic just because I have problems with my knees. So today we are going to be going
Okay.
so I have found like a few Range Rovers within the area online that I really want to do. I don't want to buy like the first one I see. I want to see the different colors, and different colors and interior. Like this is my dream car, so I want to be picky and make sure it has everything that I really want. And who knows, I might literally be out shopping and see a car that isn't a Range Rover and fall in love with that. But that is our first stop today. I'm literally about to head out in 12 minutes time to go and do the first one. And hopefully by the end of this video and the end of this week, I will have my dream car and be giving you guys the car. Let's head out. So here is the first car that I viewed, guys. It's off
Last one.
black roof and black trim. And inside is actually black and red, which I really think
Okay.
I actually do. I feel like it's quite a different look, but
Oh my word, we got another one.
I have a picture of the car because I'm quite in love with it, but it's only day one, so I want to keep it.
We got a different fingerling. It's a penguin. Cute.
Oh my god!
We got
It's a white in this one.
Tux. Aw, cute. Then we got another Hope. Cute. So I got 2 of these.
About 11 minutes later.
Okay, so now I just saw this car, guys, and I've not been thinking about getting black, but it's actually really sleek. Literally, the whole inside is this stunning white color with dash. Oh my gosh, these seats. And this one also has the panoramic roof, which I'm just in love with. I feel like this is a must-have feature now I'm actually seeing it in person.
More grocery bags. Another JoJo Siwa microphone. And then we got a green
So guys, I chose the Range
Good Luck Bear.
Fiji white, and it has black rims, black mirror,
Okay.
black lights. So a little tour. First up, I can literally lock this car by fingerprint, and then to unlock it, you literally recognize this lock handle. This little bar here also glows up blue at night time, which I literally love.
So we could have gotten
And it projects a little Range Rover light on
the
and of course, I'm
glow in the dark, which I'll see.
also, guys, I literally
or the regular
It's
one?
just black, so I put like this cream and rose gold covering on it. And then
This
like
is
this
so
jewels, stitching,
cute.
and of course a little Starbucks cup. So those are some of like the little cool little things that I've discovered on my site. So now for the inside, my favorite part of this entire part, which literally made me fall in love with it the most, is the panoramic roof. So obviously this is what
So we got
it's just this really pretty like cream color. But if I just put the engine on and we press this,
number 33, number 36,
I'm literally obsessed. So literally the entire roof is just panoramic glass. And honestly,
number
it feels like it's almost like a soft top because there's just so much daylight coming in. I'll insert a clip now of what it looks like on an actual sunny day with blue clouds because it is honestly stunning. That is honestly probably my favorite feature ever.
48.
Starting out into little shopping challenges, I feel like it's going to be so much light and it's just going to look so gorgeous. And then obviously the
And then
cream and ivory, which I absolutely love. So are the doors, and even the mirrors, and honestly all the rest
number
of the roof,
62,
which I feel is just very me. Like this car is just so me. That's why I fell in love with it.
number 72, and 74, and 79.
And then it literally comes with Range Rover headphones, and I'll tell you in a minute what these are actually for because it's the coolest thing ever. And then the middle compartment or console here. So here is a
Number
little
94.
your phone, and then obviously two cup holders. This is like the gear stick, but obviously it's an automatic car. When you switch the car on, this actually
Number
rises up, which I'll show you.
113.
I don't know why I find that so cool. It literally rises up.
Number 119. Number 127.
Charging port for phones, so literally you can charge 3 phones at once here. And I also like that if you don't want to have drinks and you don't want to have this open, you can literally close
Number 145. 146. And 147.
Two of the coolest features I've literally seen in any car is this car literally, guys, comes with a TV.
And
Are you kidding me? Like a literal
155.
skip through all the channels.
So
Again, it does like a dual TV mode, so the passenger can watch it here, but then when you come out here,
the glitter markers, you can find me in advent calendars. Cute.
We click the dual view and then I can't see it, so it won't distract me when I'm driving, but the passenger can watch it. I don't know, I just thought that was really clever.
That's awesome.
TV in your car or if you're here in Scotland, because I have never seen a TV in a car before. And then if you click down here on extra features, guys, this is another one of my favorite features. Ambient lighting, guys, you can literally tune the inside of your car to any one of these colors. So red,
I can't believe we found a frozen moment in here. That's awesome.
and again, I'll pop that footage on the screen right now.
And I think a glow in the dark as well.
Literally amazing. I can have my whole car pink now, not only my accessories, but I can literally light up the color of my Range Rover and turn it pink. And then just to show the back seat quickly as well. Obviously, I have a pink one.
Okay, so
I'm not sure what this is, honestly. It might be
that's it for this video. I wish I had more stuff to unbox, but I don't. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the notification bell so you'll never miss out on a video when I upload one. And make sure to leave a like on this video too, and give views as well, and tell me if you enjoyed. Then I'm glad you did. So anyway, I will be uploading videos on my YouTube channels again when I get surprises for you guys. So anyway, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time in the next video. Bye. Mwah.